Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the developer console so you can run commands. You install the small mod or use the appropriate script extender. Once done, edit the input bindings to attach the console key, typically tilde. Make sure to backup user settings and your save files before changing anything. You do this because console access changes gameplay values, preserving originals lets you revert. Once you have the key bound, launch the game and test that the console opens. Do not proceed until it does. You now run basic commands to change variables, spawn items, or adjust stats. Open the console and type command names exactly. Some mods are case sensitive, so be precise. Use add to increment values, for example add money 1000, and set to assign absolute values like set level 20. Once done with one change, verify in-game that the effect applied, then save. Make sure to check for conflicts with installed mods, because overlapping commands can cause errors or crashes. You finish by applying advanced commands and safety measures to avoid breaking play. You can chain commands or save them in a small script for repeatable changes. Once done, test in a safe area. Always make a quick save before risky operations and keep multiple save slots so you can roll back. If something goes wrong, teleport out of bad states or restore backed up config files. You can also clear mods one at a time to isolate faults. One tip: restart the game after major changes to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.